Hello, Parma City School students, families, and staff. I'm Dr. Scott Hunt, Superintendent. Did you know that students in our PACTS program run their very own coffee shop? PACTS, the Parma Area Center for Transition Services, provides young adults with meaningful opportunities to build independence, practice essential life skills, and gain hands-on work experience. The program focuses on preparing students for employment, daily living, and successful participation in their communities. Through PACTS, students strengthen their communication skills, functional academics, social skills, daily living abilities, and personal life management. They also learn how to navigate community resources and workplace expectations through weekly job site experiences and instruction in real community settings. One of the ways students build these skills is through a hands-on experience like our student-run coffee shop, Central Perk. Inside the shop, students put their learning into action, greeting customers, managing money, practicing time management, and solving everyday problems, all while serving fresh coffee to staff and our community members. Every shift gives students meaningful practice in essential workplace skills such as clear communication, teamwork, and taking pride in their work. PACTS is also excited to announce the addition of the Central Perk drive-thru at Parma Park School, where the community can pre-order coffee and have it delivered curbside. For more details, please visit the Office of Exceptional Students page on the PCSD website. Beyond the coffee shop, PACTS students gain experience through community job sites and independent living instruction. When they complete the program, each student graduates with an individualized plan highlighting their strengths, post-secondary options, and next steps for adult life. Our students also create beautiful custom gifts, including tumblers, door signs, and holiday decor. Be sure to check out their work at the Normandy High School PTSA Craft Fair on December the 7th. Thank you for supporting our students and celebrating the incredible things they accomplish. We are PCSD proud.